Hi guys, Caper Couple back. So we're in the middle of a blizzard right now, people, and as you guys know, we've been stocking up videos. So what you guys are watching now from us is from like at least a month ago. Sorry, I can get you in the frame. But yeah guys, we're in the middle of a blizzard, so I thought I'd take you out. I'm just heading down a couple of houses down to my mom's house, and I wanted to show you guys what we're in for tonight.
Woo!
So all my Sri Lankan friends out there, hi guys, say hello to them.
Hey people!
So yeah guys, she's not coming with me. She likes the warm weather, so she's going to stay in the house. But we're going to head out now, and you're going to see what Canadian winter's like, people. Just going to fix my foam on my camera here. Sorry about the camera work, guys. So here we go. It's really nasty out. Look at that. That's my car, guys. It's buried. So I've got probably, I don't know, a foot or more snow in the driveway here. It's drifting up to the left. It's actually not blowing too bad right now, but you can hear the wind. It is nasty out. I seen a car about 10 minutes ago over that way, going around the corner, and he was stuck solid. They say, as I said in my Instagram video yesterday, I posted one on Instagram. It was before this storm even started, guys. And I said down the Cabot Trail, they have that much of amount of snow that it's up as high as the telephone wires. They had to carve a path through the roadway up on one of the mountains there, and it was as high as the wires. So you can see there was a plow down here already, and he put a big bank up right there. I know my camera's not very good in the dark, guys, but you got a bit of a view here. See that? I'm just about at my mom's house. She lives right there. She only lives 2 houses away from me. I got a plow going down there, a snow blower. This road is already plowed. Now this half belongs to the town, so the town will clear this fast. But my end is owned by the county. So the county doesn't get out right away and clear you out. I'll have to wait until probably supper time tomorrow, guys, before I get plowed out. So, it's nasty out. My dad already shoveled his driveway, I can see. So, just wanted to show you guys that. I'm here now. I'm going to sign off, guys. And I'll sign back on when I come back out in this dirty weather until I get home. I'm going to post it right away, so I'll catch you in a bit. Okay, guys. Time to go back out. I seen my mom. And, oh wow. It's dirty out. So, I woke up this morning, guys, and I was pretty much paralyzed. I've got this back problem. I've had it for years. It nails me at least once, sometimes twice a year, and it cripples me for about a week. I think I have the same thing Mom has. She has osteoporosis of the spine, which means your spine is fusing together. And I'm telling you guys, it gets that sore that it will cripple you in pain. And it's that much that it'll make you cry. It woke me this morning and I cried. It hurt that much. And I'm still in pain right now, but it seems to be easing off a little bit. So I know I'm not doing a great thing here by showing everybody where I live, but I guess you just don't know the name of my street. I know a few of my subscribers know me, but I don't care about that. So yeah guys, the storm isn't even over yet, and look how much snow has accumulated. Like, my snowblower broke. It was just irreparable. Too many things wrong with it. So I took it and I sold it to my neighbor who's a mechanic. I could have fixed it myself too, but I said, frig with it. It's too much. You see how much snow is down? There's my footprints. So I got my little honey over with me for the night. And I'm gonna have to get out in the morning and shovel this crap, guys. You see how long my driveway is? It's pretty long. And it drifts coming up to the right. Well, it'll probably take me 2 hours to shovel this tomorrow. There's how long the driveway is. But Canadian winter, guys. Canadian winter. I know it's kind of dark here. I'll get a bit of light so you can see me at least before I head in. So, come around to my front yard. I'll get in the light. There we go. So this is a Canadian winter. So for any of you Sri Lankans that are planning on coming here and living, all I have to say to you guys is good luck, because I know how used to the warm weather you guys are, and this is what you're in for in the winter time, guys. Yes, it's beautiful here, but man, it's some cold in the winter. So with all that being said, guys, signing off. Until next time, keep subscribing because we need your help. We love it. We love reading your comments, so comment down below. Hit the notification bell. Give us a like, please. And we'll catch you later, guys.